students, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to discuss npx and npm commands. What is the difference between npx and npm commands? We have used these commands in Node.js, React.js and React Native project development. First, we will discuss about npm. npm is a package manager managing packages used to install and manage Node.js packages. NPM stands for Node Package Manager. Node Package Manager. So it is a package manager to install and manage Node.js packages. You typically install packages locally or globally and run them. We can install npm packages locally on a project or globally on entire system. If we install locally, it is available inside that particular project. If we install globally, it is available for every project. Example, npm install React. Here we install React package from npm library. React is a JavaScript library. We install that library, that npm package using this command npm install React. Npm install is a command, then we will mention the package name here. If you want to install React Native, we will type React Native. React Native. So here npm install, then we will write the package name here. We will reverse it to React. Then if you want to run a script, you have some script file on your project. If you want to run it, you can use the command npm run build. npm run build. Here we install a npm package. Here we run a script, npm run build script. So if you check the help, npm help command, it will list all the commands available with npm. Now let us move to npx. It's a tool to run Node.js packages without globally installing them. In comparison with npx, here we install the package first, then use and manage that package using npm. But in case of npx, we don't install any package on our system. We directly execute. It execute packages directly from npm registry, from cloud npm registry, cloud npm library. We will install package directly or locally installed packages. We execute package directly from npm cloud registry, from the internet npm library, or which is already locally installed on our system. So we don't install npm install here, but here there is no npx install. We don't install it. We just pull it from npm registry outside. So the one advantage is that when we use npx create React app, this is our app name. Okay, any name can be given here. So this create React app version will be updated all time, day by day. When we run with the npx, we will get the latest version always by using npx. When we execute command with the npx in comparison with the npm, npx always pull the latest version of that package. Here, if we use this command with npm, it should be like this: npm install create React app. That means we first install create React app. So we will install what is the current version at that time. Then after some days, new version will be available. But we will always use this installed version. But in this npx case, we will always pull from the registry, npm registry, from outside the latest version. So I will summarize key difference in the case of installation. npm requires installation of package before use. We must install then use. NBX, no need to install, run packages directly. We don't install, runs directly from NPM registry outside. Use case. NPM manages and installs packages. Yes, we have to install, manage, use using NPM. In case of NBX, executes packages without installation. We already discussed it. Thank you.